Thank you for buying this 15408 GoPro kit from FixtureDisplays. You can find this kit on FixtureDisplays.com by searching 15408. It comes with a nice case, a extender, the key, and wrist mount, a tripod, a chest harness, this head harness and then chest harness, a strap, different mount structures which will illustrate how to use them, and different clips, flat mount, double-sided tapes, it may seem a little overwhelming what I'm going to use all this for. Chances are you probably won't be using all of them, but in this video we're going to show you exactly how they are used in this video. So be patient, and you may find a lot of them useful. Then we have this floating device bobber, more harness, a couple bags, a selfie stick, thumb screws, and a suction mount. If you have any questions, feel free to email us cs@charliesam@FixtureDisplays.com. This is a clip mount, and you'll find a lot of accessories connect to the camera in a similar fashion. And one of the part is a key to help you turn the thumb screw tighter if you ever need to do so. This is a hand strap, allow you to mount your camera to the harness piece, and then you can wrap this around at your wrist or lower arm, wherever you desire. This floating bobber serves as a device that in water sports you won't lose your camera. If you drop into the water, you will float. So make it easy for you to find versus dive to the ocean to find your camera. Now I'm going to introduce you the selfie mount and selfie stick. So this adapter adapts a selfie, which was a 1/4-20, to a GoPro camera mount. Just like that. And then you can adjust different angles. And the selfie extends up to 38 inches. This suction mount have a clip attachment that we indicated earlier how to mount to the camera, and you simply clip on the very top and then fasten the screws. Again, just like that. Now the suction cup is activated by using a flat surface like a window, and then pull down this level. There are two pivotal adjustment positions, allow you to rotate this camera any way you desire. Now you certainly will find this kit definitely worth it for the money. A lot of the individual accessories are sold by people like the branded products for $20–25 a piece, where this entire kit is about that kind of money. This tripod also comes with a adapter. By now you would probably know exactly how this thing works. Alright, this allows you to put this on top of any flat surface or even uneven surface to level the camera and take your shots. This is a bike handlebar mount. It comes with several parts. And before you mount this to your bike handlebar, it is recommended that you wrap your handle with some tape so that there is good friction and less sliding. Now simply attach all these parts. Now, in reality, you probably want to start with from the bottom up. It's really up to you what they are comfortable with. We are using a pipe to simulate how this works. You could attach all this to the pipe first before you apply your camera, or you can do exactly in this sequence. It really doesn't matter, it's just a matter of preference. Now, you could tighten this pretty tight on your pipe, but again, it's recommended to use something offer a little more friction so that it doesn't slide easy. Now, this is one of the occasions you may find that screw key handy. This belt clip features a very strong clamp, and one of the common uses is to mount this to your backpack strap. Now we have this head mount. Yeah, this is pretty handy and fit every head. It's adjustable and reasonably comfortable to wear. This shoulder strap or chest strap is very similarly. You put it on just like you put your backpack on, and then you click the camera in place. This would be a great attachment for joggers or people who expect to have this camera on their body for a period of time. If you like this video, please consider subscribe to our YouTube channel for more and exciting new products we continue to offer. If you like our product and services, please consider leave a good review. Now, this is a helmet extender. You can strap this onto helmet slots in different positions. Now, this comes with this extender piece that allow you to extend the camera away from your body and therefore allow you to give headshots where people may wonder how did it do that. This is common among the skydivers. So you attach both ends with this mount. And you can use the double-sided tape, or you can use different clip attachments to fasten that to your body. These attachments are flat mounts, allow you to sit this on a flat surface or any other flat surface you care to attach your camera to. Lastly, this comes in a nice carrying case. The case measures about 12.5 inches by 8.5 by 2.5. The entire kit weighs about 3 pounds. We hope you'll find this kit a good purchase, and we welcome you back to FixtureDisplays.com for more products and services that will improve your lifestyle. Once again, thank you for shopping Fixture Displays.